Beauty and wealth management. North American stocks set to soar even more this morning. I'm not trying to rhyme, it's just happening. Rob, what's the story there?
Yeah, they were up quite a bit this morning in pre-market trading overnight as well. There was continued buzz over the inauguration. It's driving sentiment. Sentiment moves the market, right? So anytime you get optimism, anytime you get good mood, that spurs more buying, and more buying obviously means better stock prices, and that's what we've seen. Now, there's also earnings. Earnings have been strong. Corporate earnings have just kind of started. We saw the bank earnings come out. They've been strong. The jobless claims numbers, Gabby, just came out. I always report on those. They were slightly better than anticipated in the U.S., 900,000 versus 925. So less people applied for unemployment benefits than expected. Overall, because of that, we're going to see a slight bump this morning in pre-market trading.
Canadian story this morning, Rob. We want to talk about the first Bank of Canada policy decision has been released. What are we hearing?
Yeah, that was yesterday, Gabby. So they spoke about basically they're deciding the monetary policy with respect to our dollar and our interest rate. So how much stimulus is going to happen and what are we going to do with interest rates? So the big thing that Tiff Macklem, Bank of Canada Governor Tiff Macklem said yesterday is that they're on a 2-year timeline to fully repair the damage from the pandemic, and we don't need more support at this point. So they are not reducing interest rates. And although inflation is a little low, they're optimistic that the 2-year plan to kind of fully heal Band-Aids all over the economy, all over the Canadian system is going to work. So that's the plan. No interest rate cut at this time.
Rob, a couple of stocks you're watching this morning and an update for our viewers. We're talking United Airlines and PayPal.
Both of these are COVID stories, and I continue to report on them. United Airlines, if you haven't noticed, not many planes are flying. So stock is expected to be down. They lost more than anticipated. Stock's down about 2% in pre-market trading, lost $7 per share instead of $6.60. The other story there is PayPal. The payment company was upgraded to buy from a neutral rating at BTIG, and they're saying that PayPal will continue to see benefits from the shift towards digital payments, and that's their call on the future.
Rob, quick look at those pre-market boards before we let you go.
The Canadian dollar is up 11 basis points to 79.27. The Dow futures up a little bit, as I mentioned, 31,125. And if we take a look at gold, it's down $3 to 18.68, and oil is down 18 cents, trading at 53.13.
So our financial guy, Rob, from Canada.